Daikin sells products in over 150 countries and has annual sales of $23 billion, making it one of the air conditioning industry's top businesses.
他社に真似できないことをやらないとうちは生き残っていけない。工場を最寄り化して作って、ディストリビューターとか販売店さんに直接売るという形を取ったんですね。
Since being founded in 1924 by Akira Yamada, Daikin has led the air conditioning industry with its innovative products and leads the way towards the future through the Technology and Innovation Center, or TIC, a world-class research facility completed in November 2015. The center is equipped with Japan's first anechoic chamber for testing air conditioners, chemistry labs, and more. It's investigating the use of AI and also taking the lead on environmental issues. One goal is to improve indoor air quality in order to protect and improve people's health. In 2020, COVID-19 has spread across the globe. Lowering the risk of infection is of utmost importance.
より快適な環境を設計できるようなシミュレーションをスーパーコンピューター富岳を使って実用化しようというふうにしております。気流の流れと飛沫とかのシミュレートだけではなくて、人の位置関係もシミュレートするようなことで、マスクのいらないような安全安心な空気環境を設計できるんではないか。
Daikin's research continues, following the concept perfecting the air. Their rapid progress towards that goal is already making a social impact, and that's just the beginning. For this world-leading Japanese brand, there is much more to come.
Perfecting the air, Daikin.